A significant weather alert has been issued by the Met Office, warning of thunderstorms and heavy rain set to impact much of England and parts of eastern Wales on Sunday. This yellow weather warning, which comes into effect from 4 o'clock British Summer Time, covers extensive areas from southern England to the Midlands and extends as far north as Newcastle upon Tyne. In Wales, the alert is specifically focused on eastern regions, including Monmouthshire, Newport, Torfaen, and Wrexham. The forecast predicts that a warm and humid air mass moving in from the southeast will trigger these thunderstorms, which are expected to develop in southern England on Sunday morning. As the day progresses, the storms are likely to move northward, sweeping across the central spine of England and parts of eastern Wales. While these thunderstorms may be sporadic and difficult to pinpoint in advance, where they do occur, they could bring torrential downpours, frequent lightning strikes, and possibly even hail. The Met Office warns that these conditions could lead to localized flooding and significant disruption. In particular, there is a small but real risk of damage to properties from floodwater, lightning strikes, and strong winds. As the situation is highly fluid, with complex weather patterns at play, the Met Office urges residents in the affected areas to stay updated with the latest forecasts. The weather could change rapidly, and it's important to be prepared for sudden shifts in conditions. In addition to the thunderstorms, temperatures are expected to climb, with many areas in southern and central England potentially seeing highs in the mid-20s Celsius, and some locations possibly reaching up to 27 degrees Celsius. This combination of heat and humidity will only add to the volatility of the weather, making thunderstorms more likely as the day progresses. Travelers and those with outdoor plans should take extra precautions. Heavy rain and lightning could cause hazardous driving conditions, and there is a potential for road closures and delays in public transportation. The Met Office advises checking travel updates regularly and considering alternative routes or plans to avoid the worst of the weather. As always, safety should be the top priority during severe weather events. Keep an eye on the latest weather updates and be prepared to act quickly if conditions worsen. Whether you are at home or on the move, stay safe and take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and your property from the potential impacts of these thunderstorms. Stay subscribed for more videos.